Have you tried the 3-6-9 method? Well, we're going to talk about it, but maybe it hasn't worked for you yet. I'm giving you the exact steps to make it work. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice if you're new here. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and personal development. And if you want to be a part of this powerful creators community, hit that subscribe button and join the family and become a powerful creator. It's really fun, it's really awesome, and we are changing our lives and encouraging each other to do so. In today's video, we're talking about the 3-6-9 method. And I know a lot of you have heard of this method, and even if you haven't, this video is so for you. It's a great technique to manifest your dreams and your desires. Now, the 3-6-9 method came from Nikola Tesla, and he was born in 1856. So this method is really old, but it works. Tesla was a famous inventor and acclaimed many awards, but his greatest achievement was tapping into the universe and discovering the power of manifestation and the power of your mind. And he came up with this 3-6-9 method. He believes that 3 is such a powerful number. He would do things like walk around the neighborhood of a building 3 times before entering the building. He was very particular about his 3-6-9. He saw the power of 3-6-9. So this is how the 3-6-9 method works. You state something 3 times, and then for 6 times you say your intention for what you're stating, and then 9 times you are declaring it as if it's already happened 9 times. So what you're gonna do is get out a piece of paper and you're gonna write this method down. And so for an example, I've seen all over the internet people getting a text from their ex and getting a FaceTime call, anything like that. So for an example, you say Zach, Zach, Zach 3 times, you're writing this down, and then your intention, you're gonna write that down 6 times. I intend for Zach to text me. I intend for Zach to FaceTime me, whatever it is you desire. You write that down 6 times. And then 9 times, you're gonna write down as if it already happened. I'm so glad that Zach texted me. I'm so thankful Zach reached out to me, he called me. It's so amazing that Zach called me today. You know, you write that down. Another example is you really want to buy a house. So you will write down house, 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 and then you'll say your intention. I intend to buy a house in 2022. I intend to buy this house in 2022. And then 9 times you're just going to say, I love my house. I love my new house in the Hollywood Hills, and it's this amount of square feet, things like that. You could even do a job. I intend to get the job that I interviewed for. I intend to get the job that I interviewed for. And then for 9 times, you would write down, I absolutely love the job that I was given, that I was offered. It's great. I love my coworkers, and continue. Make sure you are doing it 3-6-9. That is the sequence, 3-6-9. And write this all down. But here are the elements you're probably missing if the 3-6-9 method isn't working for you. So the first thing is you have to be descriptive. You have to give all the details of your intention, of the job you want, anything like that. You have to be descriptive when you're writing it down. You can't just say house, house, house. I love my house. The house is great. You got to be descriptive. Where is that house? What does it look like? How many square feet is it? How many bedrooms does this house have? You have to do all that. The second thing you're probably missing is that you have to be grateful. So in the 9 sequence, what are you grateful for? I'm so grateful for this house that I have, that I get to have my friends over now, I get to host parties, things like that. You have to find gratitude within this method. And the third thing you're probably missing, you aren't tapping into the feelings of that desire already in your life. Act as if this desire is already in your life. Act as if your ex texts you already. When you're in that 9 sequence, write it down as if he's already texted you, as if he's already FaceTimed you, as if you already have the house, the job, whatever you desire. Act as if you already have it. Feel those feelings. Ask yourself, how would it feel if I had my desire right now? So get in that feeling and tap into it. That is so important when doing the 3-6-9 method. Another example to give you more details, say you want a healthy body. You want healthy body. So you write down 3 times, healthy body, in shape body. And then 6 times, you're going to write down, I intend to have a healthy, secure body, and I intend to love myself for who I am. I intend to love my body through the process of becoming healthy. And for 9 times, you're gonna write down, I am so grateful and happy that my body is healthy, that I love to work out, that I love to eat well, that I love to do my morning walks, and it's so exciting for me to have a healthy body. This is a dream come true. I love my body is healthy. You have to be descriptive, so make sure that you are descriptive, you are grateful, and you're feeling the feelings of your desire already in your life. And the last thing you have to do is you have to let go. Forget about what you've written about. Go do something else. Go talk to a friend. Go take a walk. Whatever it is to get your mind off of the manifestation and the desire, just let it go and watch. It will come into your reality. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I know this method will work for you with these tools. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations and hit that subscribe button so you can become a powerful creator. Start creating things in your life and manifesting. If you like this video, I know you'll like my next video on signs your twin flame is on their way to you. So just click over there and I'll see you in that video. Thank you so much again for watching today's video. I love you, powerful creators, and I'm praying for you and I believe in you. Have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon.